This is my iPhone 16 video on how to put on the back of the phone. And so you'll want some pre-cut adhesive and you'll lay that down. And if you don't have pre-cut adhesive, you can use tape adhesive. And I like to put the adhesive over top of the already existing adhesive if it's not in the way or on the edges too much. But it's just mainly because sometimes it doesn't stick well and it comes unstuck, and then you have something at least. See how it just pulled off a little bit and it didn't stick very well. And it could be because I didn't clean it as well. You can clean the edges if you want to be that type of person, but it's only if you're looking for like trying to waterproof it 100%, but you're going to need a special machine to do that. So let's connect on the back glass connector, just using our finger here before we connect the battery and put on that pesky bracket at the end. Maybe I will do a video of a waterproof test after I've done the repair. Just leave me a comment below. If I get enough comments and views, I might as well do it. So I'm just going to wait until I'm out of repairs. I still got to do the rear camera replacement, Bluetooth antenna, Wi-Fi antenna, and button replacement. And when it gets down to the button replacement, I heard that the quick action button to the camera is now something that's programmed to the phone, so you might not be able to replace that one thing. So we're just having a hard time trying to connect the battery. If you haven't taken out the battery like I did, maybe you would connect on better. But with this bracket, there's a little bit of a trick to it. So you're going to lay it down to the screw holes and then screw down the screws, but not all the way, just enough to maneuver it and push it underneath the bracket that holds it down on the bottom. You'll first put the Y000 screw on the top and then slide it down, and then you'll get the little bracket connected on. And then don't torque them all the way down, just so you know. And also you can kind of maneuver it and make sure it's on there for good. Because if you drop your phone, you don't want the charge port coming disconnected or your microphone connection. Otherwise, people won't hear you while you're on the phone. We'll pull our adhesive, and I recommend clamping it, or if you don't have clamps, is just throw it in the case and then it will clamp itself, just like if it had clamps on it. And make sure you grab your P2 screws and put those screws on the bottom. I lost them, and I was really worried my video just flopped and I had to take it apart again because somehow it got inside the phone. But luckily, thankfully, they were just stuck on the tip of my screwdriver bit. Anyways, I thought that was kind of funny. And I also wanted to let you guys know that my cat was trying to get on the set during this video. All these videos I made this weekend, and I really enjoyed making these videos. A lot of fun. And please like and subscribe. Subscribe for more iPhone 16 video content on how to repair it. And make sure you check out the videos of how to replace the charge port and the vibrating motor that I'll post alongside this video, because I put screw hole colors, color coordinated for you guys. And then I also made sure it was very well detailed, so you guys will be able to do it yourself. So perfect. It charges, it turns on. You got to plug it in to get it to turn on after you disconnect the battery. Woohoo! This repair was worth it.